What a-
I turned it down.
You did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Hopefully it won't freeze when I get to the other night. But hopefully Facebook will be
Kings and queens, come on in, come on in. We're here to play a game with y'all tonight. Yes, we're here to play a game tonight. Who wants to play a game with us? Yes, come on in. Share.
Like and share.
Like and share the live so others
I
can
know we
come.
don't normally say that word.
Right.
We're gonna say that tonight.
Yeah, so others can come and enjoy this game with us. Yes. So let's just give a few more people a chance to come in here. Yes. What are you
Pin the
pinning?
number.
We're pinning the number because we're gonna need some participants here tonight. Yeah.
It's the same thing as the other night. I'm gonna try this.
Oh, it's freezing already. Facebook. Jeez. We're trying to get in another way so we can see the comments them because Facebook is acting up already. Yes. Well, come on in, guys. Happy Saturday. What are y'all up to? Well, we're up to a little game tonight.
Right.
That's what we're up to. A little game with y'all. Yes.
Pat Williams, good evening.
Pat Williams, good evening. How you doing? Marcia Grant. Jackie Gross. How you doing, Queen? Lynn. Good evening, Lynn. Paula Lightburn. I'm sorry. How you doing? Yeah, so that's all the comments we're able to see right now. Let's see. Melanie, how you doing?
Good evening.
Good evening.
Big up.
Are you guys seeing us okay? Tell us if you're seeing us okay or if you're not. Want to make sure you're able to see all the festivity tonight. I'm going to explain the game in a minute. Yes? So, yes. Man, Facebook is annoying. Claudette, Ilton, how you doing?
Claudette.
How you doing?
Shalina,
good night. Rosemary. Cornice, how you doing?
I said that right.
How you doing? Like and share the live so we have some
Hey,
people
Nicole.
to participate. Waving at you, Nicole. What up, Queen? What a guan. Oh my God. So, yeah, we're not gonna keep complaining about it. It's stuck in, and we said it. Yvette, how you doing? Yvette, happy Saturday night.
Happy
Saturday to y'all.
And all seeing clear. Good.
Okay, so this is how this game is gonna work tonight. Kings and queens. All right. As you can see, we have a box here. And in this box, I'll be placing 5 different flavor of drink, right? And Vanilla, I'm going to blindfold her before I put the drinks in here that she will need to taste and tell me each flavor of the drink. Here's the twist. We're going to need 5 people to be on Vanilla's team. If Vanilla guesses your flavor correctly, you'll be winning some credits from us tonight. So you're going to have to call in and pick a number. As you can see on the bottom of the box, right over here, it's numbered 1 through 5. So you're going to pick a number drink. If vanilla guesses your flavor correctly, you're going to be winning some credits tonight. All right? Do I need to repeat the game again?
So you're going to call in and choose either you're going to want to be on Chocolate's team or you want to be on my team.
Correct, but you're going to go first.
Okay.
So we're dealing with Vanilla's team right now.
Okay.
So if you want to be on Vanilla's team, go ahead, call in the numbers pin, and you're going to pick a number from 1 through 5. Whomever pick a number, nobody can call and pick the same number. You're allowed to pick one number.
They're asking you to repeat the instructions, please.
All right, let me go over. There's a box right here, and in this box you'll see straws, right? I am going to put 5 drinks inside this box, and Vanilla is going to be blindfolded when I put the drinks in here. She'll need to sip each of these drinks and tell me what flavor they are. Okay? I'm going to need 5 people to call in to be on Vanilla's team. If Vanilla guesses the flavor, your flavor, whatever you choose, between 1 and 5, you can only pick 1. If she chooses your flavor correctly, if she tasted and said yes, this and named the flavor correctly, you're a winner of some credits. All right?
Okay, they understand.
Understand? All right. So now I'm gonna blindfold Miss Vanilla while I get the drink to put inside this box. The phone line, let me turn the phone on. The phone line's open. All right. Hello, good night. Hi. Okay, Unique, what number?
Melanie.
Melanie, what number would you like to choose from 1 through 5? Number 1, all right? Melanie, number 1. We got to write this down. Hold on 1 second, Melanie. We forgot the paper. 1 second. We want to make sure we remember your name correctly. I have some marker here.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Melanie, okay? Melanie is number 1. So number 1 is Melanie. All right, Melanie, thank you. All right. We have somebody else calling in. Hello, good night.
Good night. I would like to choose number 5.
Number 5. Who am I speaking to?
Jennifer.
Okay, Jennifer for number 5. Got you, Jennifer. Thank you.
Thank you too.
All right, we have somebody else. Hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Good night.
What number would you like?
4.
Number 4, and who is this? Number 4.
Patricia Ramon.
All right, Patricia. All right, Patricia, you're number 4. Thank you.
Hello.
Thank you. Hello, good night. Hello.
Good night.
What number would you like? We have 2 and 3. We have 2 and 3. Pick number 2.
What is her name?
What is your name?
Number 4.
All right. What is your name?
Cordelia.
Cardelia. All right, Cardelia. We got you for number 2. Thank you. One last one for Vanilla's team. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
We only have number 3 available. What is your name?
Number 3, Sonia.
Sonia. All right, Sonia. We got you for number 3. Thank you. They have us up. All right. We have gotten to the end of everybody for vanilla. Y'all gonna have to wait until it's my turn. We have everybody we need for vanilla's team. We got number 1, Monique. Melanie. Number 2, Cardelia. Number 3, Sonia. Number 4, Patricia Lamont. Number 5, Jennifer. All right. Time for me to blindfold Miss Vanilla while I get the drink.
Good luck, everybody.
Good luck. Hold it forward. All right. All right. She can't see a thing. All right. Need to grab the drink. I have to hide them because I didn't want her to see them. All right. So bear with me. I have to get them. All right. I gotta get them. Bear with me. And I have to open one of them. Excuse me. All right. Excuse me. I have one more. Hold on. Hold on.
No, sir.
I have to hide them because I didn't want her to see them. All right, let's go. So number 1 is this. All right. Number 1. Oh gosh, hopefully. Number 1 is gonna work. Hopefully they're not too tall. We haven't tried this out, guys, so bear with me. Not working. All right, there's number 1 right here. Okay. Number 2. This is number 2. All right. Number 2, right here. All right. Number 3. Number 3. This is number 3. Okay. Number 4. Number 4. All right. Number 5. See this? Number 5. Okay? Number 5. Okay. Let me put them up for her. Trying to get them right. All right. Okay. Y'all see them? Let me see. Give me some light. Show some light if you see all the different flavors. They're behind. All right. Come on, let me see. Can you all see them? Yes? Team Vanilla. Team Vanilla. All right, Team Vanilla, why y'all so scary? Scared. Y'all scared, huh? Team Vanilla scared. Team Vanilla, quiet by the life. Unafraid. Team Vanilla, all right, Miss Vanilla. Are you ready?
I guess.
Okay.
I'm ready as I'm gonna be.
All right, time for her to taste the flavors. And she have a bag right here. Where you have a bag?
Just in case when I like it.
Yeah. You have a spit in that bag?
Yep.
Okay, all right. But you have to name the flavor.
I will do my best.
All right, Miss Vanilla, let's go. All right. Yeah, so number one, start over here.
This?
Yes.
This is number one?
Number one, yes. Okay, number one. All right. Let's stay all night for number one. It look like, folks.
Tastes like grape soda.
Grape soda, okay. That is not correct. Okay, not correct. Not
This is
correct.
number two?
Yes.
Ooh.
What? What is it? What is it? Come on.
Oh, God.
What is it?
Something nasty.
What is it?
I don't know. I don't know.
Come on, taste. Use your taste
This
bud.
is number two still?
Yeah, that's number two still. Come on. Come on, Vanilla. Team Vanilla, why are you so quiet? Huh?
I don't know what that is.
Okay.
I don't know.
All right, you don't know what that is. Number three. Let's go.
This is three?
Yep, that's number three. Team Vanilla don't look good for you now.
Ooh.
Come on. Not even one. Come on, Vanilla. What is that? Number three.
Tastes like Magnum.
Nope. Nope. No, Vanilla, that's not Magnum.
No.
All
This
right.
four?
Yeah, that's number four right now. Uh-huh.
Oh, God help me.
Number four.
Tastes like tuna.
Nope, it's not tuna.
I don't know.
It's not tuna. Team Vanilla, what happened? What's going on?
No, sir. I don't know what that is.
No?
Whatever it is, it don't taste good.
It don't taste good?
No.
No? Okay.
Mm-mm.
Okay.
What's this? Number five?
Yep, number five.
Hot sauce. Hot sauce.
What kind of hot sauce?
I don't know, but it's a burnt my mouth.
Come on. Me can't bother with it in the people face. People pop Facebook.
Hot.
People pop Facebook. Me can't bother with it. Yeah.
Wow. What is it? Can I take it off now? Eh?
Yes, you can.
Oh, wow. What is it? What is it?
What?
Let's see.
What?
The hell?
People pop
No, sir.
People pop Facebook. Me go off on Facebook.
Wait till she sees hers.
Me nah go back on Facebook. Me done with it all. Oh, Jesus God. Oh, God. No. People on Facebook. Well, I guess hot sauce.
Yeah.
So I guess just one person.
Yeah, Jennifer.
Jennifer, you locked out because it's a distinct taste. You understand? Yes. But people from Facebook, we can't bother with them. All right, straw change. My turn. Gonna throw this out. Ui, no sir. Me can't bother. Me can't bother. All right, new straws. New straws. Calling for Team Chocolate, please.
Woo, almost still
Team
burning.
Chocolate on the calling. Yeah.
All right, if you want to be on Team Chocolate, call in.
Yeah, calling for Team Chocolate. Yeah. Yeah. Walk me to your vanilla. Vanilla, oh, you look so red. No. Vanilla, oh, you look like somebody box up your face. No, sir.
Woo, my
Yeah.
mother burned me.
Yeah.
Oh,
Somebody
welcome.
call for me. All right, Team Chocolate. Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night. Hi. What number would you like?
Number 1.
Number 1. What is your name?
Latoya.
Latoya. All right, Latoya, got you. Okay. All right, hello, good night.
Good night.
All right, what number would you like?
Number 3.
Number 3. And who's this?
Tashi.
All right, Tashi, number 3, Tashi. Got you. Vanilla, you need some milk, man. Hello, good night.
Good night, Queen.
Good night. What number would you like?
Melanie.
Melanie, all right. What number would you like?
She won. Oh no.
No, she didn't.
win.
3.
Number 3, somebody already gone with number 3.
What number do you have?
I have 2, 4, and 5.
Let me have number 5.
Number 5, Melanie. All right, got you. Hello, good night. Turn us down in the background. What number would you like?
Number 4.
Number 4, what is your name? Slimatic. All right, Slimatic, got you for number 4. All right, hello, good night. Hello, good night.
Number 2.
Number 2, what is your name?
Susan Pilgrim.
Susan Pilgrim, big up yourself, queen. All right, got you. Okay.
All
Hold
right.
on. Me know say you about to burn you up and you can't wait to come for me, go for my turn. But let's just call out the names that we have. We have everyone for Team Chocolate. Yes.
Chocolate, you're cruel, man.
Number 1, Latoya. Number 2, Suzanne Pilgrim. Number 3, Tashi. Number 4, Slimatic. Number 5, Melanie. We have everybody already for Team Chocolate, all right? All right, let's go. All right. All right, all right, all right. All right. It's good, I can't see anything. Yeah,
All right.
go. Hurry up with this. Yeah. Yes.
I had to put mine in a nice bag.
All right. Let's go.
All right. This is number 1.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Number 1. All right. Here's number 2.
This is number 2.
There's number 2. All right. Where's number 3? Number 3, let's go.
Hold on.
The bottles are too tall. Vanilla.
Hold on. Never problem with number 2.
You got a problem with number
No,
2?
I got it.
You got it. All right. Rolling, rolling, rolling on the river.
This is number 3.
Okay.
See what it says? Okay.
Let's go. Let's go. But now, what's taking you so long? Is that mouth of yours still burning?
Yes, Mom.
Oh.
All right. This is number 4.
Mm-hmm. All right. Don't be spilling stuff. All right. What number are you on now?
Number 5.
Number 5. All
All
right.
right. This is number 5.
Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Vanilla. Team Chocolate. Yeah, I can go and brag in the comment section.
All right.
Love, man. Yeah, you girl got it.
Yes, Mom.
Uh-huh.
You got it, Mom.
Got it. We got it.
Okay, go on. Taste.
No, I need to take off my mask. You didn't do it with your mask on. Go
Yes,
on.
I did. I tasted all of them with my mask
I'm
on.
not tasting with my mask on.
Okay.
I can't see them. So, all right. Ready? All right. Number 1. This is lemonade.
Nope.
Tastes like lemonade. It's either lemonade or flavored water.
Nope.
Let me taste it again. Tastes like lemonade. That's what it tastes like. Or Gatorade.
Nope.
On one of them. Anyways, that's what it tastes like to me. All right, number 2.
Yep.
Oh, that's gross. It tastes like some sort of marinade. It's a marinade. Something where you marinate something in, like... Yeah, it's like a marinade. Something for season, something. Is it a marinade? Is it a marinade? Well, Chef, tell me yes or no. So what you take forever for answer?
Yes,
It's a marinade.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a marinade. Me probably not gonna get the exact brand of marinade, but it is a marinade. Yeah. The hell is that? This tastes like another marinade, or this coming like a cold medicine, some type of medicine.
Nope.
The hell is that?
You'll find out when it's done.
I hope I'm not poison you make me there drink, you know?
Poison nothing.
Cause that tastes like a poison.
I don't poison.
Okay. This is either Suppligen, yeah, it's kind of Suppligen, or the other one like when people them drink to make them eat and not for old people them drink this too. It's either Nutrigen or Suppligen, or it's sitting there. When you man, damn it.
You got it.
Yeah, me get it? Yeah, Suppligen, Nutrigen. Yeah, Nutrient, yeah.
It's Nutriment.
Nutriment, yeah.
I'll get it to you.
Mm-hmm. All right. So I get 2. Alrighty.
2?
Yeah, I got the marinade.
Okay.
And I got the Nutrigen.
All right.
This is the last one?
Yep.
Why this is so much nonsense sitting there selling that foreign man? God. Another Dr. Pepper.
Nope.
Some roots.
Nope.
Roach poison.
Nope.
Shit. I don't know what that. Let me taste it one more time. A washout.
Nope.
I don't know what.
Okay.
Let's see. What's that?
Lucozade. Jamaica Lucozade.
Oh, look, I see that?
Yeah.
Ugh. You know, tastes good.
Teriyaki.
Teriyaki. Oh, Lord.
This is beet. Beet juice.
Ugh.
You got this one.
Yeah, I got that.
Nutriment. This one
Mm-hmm.
is bedroom bully.
Bedroom bully, that shit, no, I don't know bully that.
It's a herbal.
A dead dog.
It's a
that. I
herbal
don't know
tonic.
bully. No.
Bedroom bully.
I don't know bully that. No. So, I got number 2.
Yep.
And I got number 4.
Yep.
So
Pilgrim and Slamatic.
So I got you Susan Pilgrim and Slamatic. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congratulations,
Them disgusting. Me not ask.
Met my most still a burn me.
Nasty as hell. That was a short little game we came on to just make you guys laugh tonight. Yes. Hope you guys are having a wonderful Saturday night. Yes. And we will be back. We'll be back for our praise and worship.
Yes.
Tomorrow night. All right. I hope you guys enjoy. If you didn't win, sorry.
Sorry.
Another time, congratulations to all the winners. Make sure, Susan Pilgrim, you text us with your telephone service. Slamatic, do the same.
And
Jennifer. All right?
Yep.
God bless you guys. Good night. We're gone.
Well,
We're
good night.
gone. Love you guys, and there's nothing you can do about it. See y'all.